Y'all, it is a foggy afternoon. 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's super foggy, half a mile visibility. But we're about to go head back into the creeks again and try to do some fishing. So y'all stay tuned. I'll see you there in a second. So I'm just going to start out by throwing this little bitty Jackal rhythm wave. It's a 2.8-inch long bait and an 1/8-ounce jig head, 15-pound fluorocarbon leader, 7-foot fast rod, and a 2500 size spinning reel. So, and I run 15-pound braids so I can get a long cast and feel everything that's happening. I'm just going to cast it out. And I just like to do a steady retrieve every now and then, give it a little twitch. But a steady retrieve this time of year is hard to go wrong with. Just slow rolling it down on the bottom. Hopefully I don't scare anything away. Oh! Nope, I didn't. That was instant. As soon as I threw her out, there was a fish. So that worked out pretty good. Pretty mangrove. Look at that. It's a nice colored fish. Check that out. There you go. Oh! And that's a bass. So Lily caught a mangrove snapper right there, and then a largemouth bass if we can get them in the same general area. A pretty one too. Look at that. That's cool. Really neat fishery we have. Look at him. Thanks, buddy. I love doing this time of year. You liked that, didn't you? There you go. Boom. Happy with that guy. Oh, there you are. See if you can get a cast right on the edge of that grass. They're typically going to be sitting right under there waiting to ambush your lure or any bait that's coming by. That's not a bad one. Not a bad bass. Getting a little bit bigger, not giant. He's probably like 3/4 pound, maybe a pound. But you liked that lure, didn't you? Where's the big one that was out there? You gotta love it. There you go, buddy. So crazy how you can catch these things in this brackish water back here. If I can get another cast right on the edge. There we go. Oh, and just like that, there's another one. Oh, he's gonna take me into the... Yep. Come on. They want to go into that grass. There we go. Come on, get away from the edge. I mean instant. If you can get your cast right next to there, it's almost a guarantee. That's a healthy one. Healthy little fish. Check them out. You like that bait, didn't you? There you go, buddy. I think we can get some more fish out of this one. I had some issues with my trolling motor plug this morning, which is typical of marine plugs, you know. It's been a while since this went bad, so I can't use the trolling motor. So I've been setting the power pole down and using the big engine to move around. And luckily I didn't scare any of these things off yet. There we go. Yep. I bet that's another one. Yep. There it is. Oh yeah. Got it. I want to go around that corner so bad. Once I get them out of that corner, we're good. But they want to get me hung up in there. I don't know. What is that, number 4? I think. Pretty little largemouth, all the same size, just eating this. Looks like a small bull minnow. So there we go. Let's get them back. Man, that is incredibly fun. If I could let the wind drift me up in there, but I don't think it's going to. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer. Okay, I came a little bit further in, which I hope I can get back out. But let's keep on casting that little swim bait back out there. There we go. That's a bass. Gotta be. Oop. Yep. I just knew it. That was a perfect cast out there. Come on. They're all the same size, but there's a bunch of them out there. Look at the color of that one. Real dark, spring-fed waters produce these really green bass. Love them. There we go. Let them go. It's so fun. Y'all, go leave a comment down below what your biggest bass is that you've ever caught. Mine is just under 8 pounds. It was a 7.56 pounder in Texas. So y'all go leave a comment, that'd be cool. But I need to get another lure. That one's kind of not staying on the hook anymore. But these are what I'm using. It's just a little Jackal rhythm wave. Great for tarpon, speckled trout, redfish. They're small baits. They replicate the bait that's back here perfect. Looks just like these little minnows that are foraging around. So I'm gonna grab another one. And I am using it in the prism shad color. Perfect for this kind of greenish creek water. So let's rig it on the hook. They are fragile, but the key with these is a slow retrieve. And I like them because that tail will still wobble at slow speeds, which is key a lot of times this time of year. So let's get another one back out. There's kind of a log lay down. And if I can get a cast right beside of it, watch, I bet there's gonna be another bass. Yep, just like that. I mean, they are so predictable where they're gonna be in these small bodies of water. See any type of structure, they're normally gonna be in there. I don't normally call my fish before I hook it, but back here I know pretty well. Another healthy fish. This is just a numbers game today. Not quite big, but lots of them. There you go. And it is kind of crappy because there's always an oil sheen out here of some sort. I think it's just runoff from the surrounding area. So I notice that every time I'm back here. Wonder how many are on that laydown. Oh, I'm in the woods. I'm in the grass. Get out of the grass. There's one. Is that a speckled trout? No, that was a ladyfish. Okay. I just took my tail. You dumb ladyfish. And I've lost count on how many bass I've caught in this small hole. But it's pretty amazing how many are over here. Look at that. Check it out. Bass fishing with spinning tackle. There we go. This one's a little butterball. All right, buddy. There you go. This is my second to last lure I have left. I should have brought some more packs out, but the ladyfish been biting the tails off. So I'm gonna cast back out because why leave fish to find other fish? But at the same time, it would be nice to pick up a red or a trout. But it's crazy just how many small bass are in this one creek. Oh! Right beside this laydown. Oh, that's a mangrove. All right. It's a good mangrove too. Yeah, come dude. You swallowed my bait. You tried to, that would be a keeper. Or close to it. Okay, what is that? Is that a speck? Yep. Speckled trout. There we go. All without having to use my trolling motor. Sweet. That's not a bad speckled trout either. What I'm doing is I'm just running with the engine up and then shutting off and letting myself drift where I want to stop. There we go. And that's a pretty stealthy way of doing it if you don't have a trolling motor. Also, you can push yourself, but I don't have a push pole. And it's working pretty good for me. Oh, he's trying. Just short striking it. That wasn't a short strike, that was a good hit. There we go. He just needed a chance to come back. And that is a snake of a speckled trout. I mean, skinny. how skinny this thing is. There you go. Hookouts work pretty good. This is my last one in the pack. And I didn't bring another pack out because I didn't think I'd be catching this many. There we go. See what it can do for us. A little bit better fish. What do you expect? Yep. It's not a bad one. There we go. Look how dark they are on top. Look at that. There you go, buddy. I'm gonna do a few more casts, probably head in. Fun little fishing session though. Right beside the grass. What is that? Is that a mangrove or bass? One of the two. Mangrove snapper. Oh, that one's a hefty one. That one would be a keeper, but I'm not keeping fish on this trip. So he can go and get bigger. That's a good one. Delicious eating fish. There you go. All right, it's time for me to go. I'll see y'all back at the house. Bobo, we are back home, and Bobo here. If you're wondering why he has a cone on, he just has some allergies. He was licking himself like crazy. So just some allergies. So we have that cone on, and he gets to go see the vet in a little bit again and get some allergy medication. But it's a nice day out here. It's about to storm. It's actually kind of still pretty hot. Record temps so far for winter here in South Alabama, or quote unquote winter. But I had a really awesome day out there, and I have a little surprise for you. I'll show you. Check him out. This is Ono. So now Bobo has a little baby brother right here named Ono. See him? What's up, Ono? Welcome him to the family. This is a little Australian Shepherd / mini Aussie. It's only 15 weeks old at the time of making this video. Say hi, everybody. That's awesome. But beautiful little puppy. I can't wait for Bobo and Ono to continue sharing some fishing experiences with me, and I can't wait for y'all as well on some more trips. If you're new here, welcome. I appreciate you for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoy this content. And don't forget, y'all, this videos are brought to you by all the purchases made on BamaSaltwater.com tackle shop, where you can get your hand-tied rigs, your weights, your hooks, the lures I was using today, and the jig heads. Y'all go check it out. I will include a link down in the description below, along with sword knives and bird of prey tackle. They're awesome to support the channel, and bow shield too. So we'll see you on the next Bama Saltwater fishing video. I want to thank the good Lord up above for everything he does for us. Hope everyone had a great new year, and we'll see you later. Hey, Ono. Ono. Bobo, you like a... What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Gonna be a fishing buddy. All right, we're gone.